Here you can see the flowchart for non-restoring division. After initialization, we check for the sign of A and we perform left shift and addition or subtraction depending on it. And after performing this operation, we again check the sign to assign the value to the I0. Now this operation is performed over and over n times for n bit number. Now let's take one example. We have integer dividend 110, that is 6, and divisor of 3. So let's perform this division using non-restoring algorithm. Initializing the registers A and I. A is 4-bit, I is 110. This is initialization step, and we have done initialization. Now we check the sign of 0 for the first iteration. It is 0, so we perform left shift first. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, unassigned. And since this value is 0, we are going to perform A minus D. And here A minus D gives you 1, 1, 1, 0. Now let's check the value of A here. Again, assign the opposite value to the I0. So I0 is now 0. First iteration is complete. The second iteration, again we are checking the value of A here. Perform the left shift first. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 unassigned. Now since this is 1, we are going to perform addition A plus D, and this gives 0, 0, 0, 0. The carry is obviously discarded, and 0, 0. Now let's assign I0 depending on the sign of A again. So this time it's 1. So second iteration is complete. For third iteration, check the sign of A again, it's 0. Perform the left shift. Now perform A minus D because the sign was 0. So when we perform A minus D, we get 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The sign of A again here, it is 1. That's why we get 0 here. So the iterations are complete now. So now what we got here is A is final value 1101 and I final value is 010. So this value is nothing but the quotient part. For the remainder part, the sign of A is still 1. So we have to perform another A plus D, which gives 0, 0, 0, 0. And this is nothing but the remainder. So the A will contain the remainder of the operation and I will contain the quotient. So this is how the operation is performed. I hope you have understood the flowchart and the working.